Hi everyone, we are live on the LymeBrave Foundation Facebook page. We're just going to take a few minutes and let people join. We're a little bit early, but we just want to test out some sound. So we will just hang in here a little bit. What we're going to do today is introduce our foundation, which I'm very, very excited to present to you. And we're going to take a look at the website, which is launching today. And we also have a LymeBrave prize pack giveaway. So you can learn how to enter that by sharing and helping us spread the word about our foundation and our website. So we're just going to hang out a little bit and take a look at the website, and if you have any questions, we will cover that as well. So let's just wait a little bit for some people to join us. It's just about 12:30 now, so let's see. I'll give everyone just a few minutes to join in. And we are going very, very old school today with our setup. Not very technologically savvy right now, so there we go. Okay, we'll just wait a couple more seconds for people to join, and then we'll get started. This will be on our LymeBrave Foundation Facebook page, as well as on our media channel on YouTube, so you can feel free to share it out. And again, today we are announcing our foundation, and going to share a little bit about the website, and we have a great giveaway for you with some cool Lyme related prizes, so we will talk a little bit about that as well. It'll only be about between 10 to 15 minutes, so if you are on your lunch break, thank you for joining us. And feel free to share this on your own feeds. The more we can spread the word about our foundation, the better. If you're just joining us, thanks for joining us. We'll get started in just a few minutes. And again, today we are announcing the foundation. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our mission. We are going to share our website so you have an idea of what to look for. And we have a great giveaway for you with some Lyme related products. We are going to get started. Thanks for joining us. Let's see here. If you have questions, feel free to put them in the comments. We will do another live stream possibly this week where we'll answer your questions, but today we have a full schedule, so we will get to those as soon as possible. You can also email us directly at info@LymeBraveFoundation.org with any questions or comments that you have as well. So if you don't know me, my name is Susan and I am a Lyme patient. I was diagnosed in 2012 after nearly 15 years of misdiagnosis. I have been in treatment for 5 years, including a brief period of remission. I am also an author, and I'm the author of The Last Letter, which is a novel based on my experiences with Lyme disease. It was actually released a year ago this week. It's available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, anywhere that books are sold, so you can go check that out. We will be running a sale this week, so it's 99 cents on Kindle. We'll have a sale on the paperback version if you order directly from me for Lyme patients specifically, so feel free to check out my author page to look for that. I am very, very happy. The reason why we're all here today, I am very proud to introduce LymeBrave Foundation. This is a new national nonprofit for Lyme patients and caregivers by Lyme patients and caregivers. So everything that LymeBrave does, we do with you, the Lyme community, in mind. From our educational workshops and events to our awareness campaigns, and especially our support programs, we're focused on helping you share your experiences with Lyme disease so that others can understand what Lyme disease is all about. We also are very happy to announce support programs which are going to help the Lyme community heal from the emotional toll that this disease inflicts. Some of our programs include a mentorship match program, which we'll be announcing in 2018. We'll have healing workshops, educational workshops that center on the Lyme disease patient and caregiver experience. And we'll also have adult wellness grants to help financially. That is based on funding, and we will hope to bring that to fruition in the second half of 2018, but it is one of our main causes that we would like to bring to you. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the website and explain a little bit more about our mission, about our programs, what we have in store for you. You can follow along. We are now live on the website, so you can follow along at LymeBraveFoundation.org. That's LymeBrave, LymeBrave, LymeBraveFoundation.org. I'm going to turn this around so you can follow along with me. And again, we are old school here, so bear in mind that. Okay. So this is our website. And I'm trying to get into focus here. Okay. So we're very proud to present this to you. We hope to be a central support center for Lyme patients and caregivers. We have educational programs, support programs, and awareness campaigns. And if you scroll down, if you're following along with us on your own computers, you can scroll down and see what our mission is. We have a Being Lyme Brave blog, where we will showcase essays, news, and events, and Lyme patients and caregivers have an opportunity to contribute with their own Lyme disease stories. If you want to get involved, you can contribute to the Being Lyme Brave blog. You can volunteer, and I'll show you that application shortly, or you can donate directly. We are a nonprofit on our way to becoming a 501c3 charity, so your donations are very, very much appreciated. Also, at the bottom of every page, we do list the crisis lifeline. We understand the low quality of life that Lyme patients and their caregivers have, especially with the emotional toll that this disease takes, the isolation, the loneliness. We believe it's very important to link to the crisis lifeline. Having a support center like that, someone who can be there to walk you through whatever it is that you're feeling, is just crucial. So we will always link to this National Crisis Lifeline. On our, let's go over here. On our About page, we tell you a little bit more about us, what you can find on the website, and what we have in store. We have the LymeBrave team, which is made up of myself, Chet Pergozelsky, Tara Swiger, and Sarah Mazer. Very proud of this team. They've been working very, very hard. We also have a list of our volunteers, and if you'd like to be a volunteer, we have a volunteer application for you to fill out. We would love to have you guys get involved. And we also have a list of our partners, which are coming soon. Very happy to be partnering with other Lyme groups. We have navigation. We have my story listed on the blog. We have some essays. If you'd like to be a contributor, talk about your own Lyme story, feel free to send us an email. We'd be happy to have you as either the patient or the caregiver. We'll also share some news, updates, any events that we're having, any special features, blog series. We'll have all of that on the LymeBrave blog. Our education portion of the website is all about Lyme disease. Here you'll find information about Lyme and other tick-borne diseases. What is Lyme disease, Lyme symptoms, Lyme prevention, physician referrals, some excellent organizations that have a physician referral program, and some additional Lyme resources. I'll skip the support panel for a second. Going over to our awareness section. So here we will showcase our campaigns, our events, and our news and media on the campaign section. So with LymeBrave, we believe that education is the first line of defense. And that's why we are so dedicated to increasing awareness through these campaigns and events that offer an understanding of what exactly the Lyme patient and caregiver experience with this disease. So if you're a Lyme patient or a caregiver, or you're a loved one who would like to get involved, let us know. These are some of the campaigns we've already done. For example, in 2017 for Lyme Awareness Month, we did an online campaign with the book The Last Letter, talking about the emotional toll of Lyme disease. Down here we have some fundraising resources that you can download, including fundraising tips and tricks, how to get involved with fundraising ideas, and we also have a LymeBrave flyer template. So if you're holding a fundraiser on behalf of LymeBrave, we appreciate that, first of all, but second, we have a template all ready for you. You just have to fill in the information for your awareness event. We have an events calendar, so you can check out all the information that's coming here. Well, this is taking a long time loading. Technical difficulties here, but we do have a calendar. There it is. So you can take a look at any events that we have coming up. This will especially fill up for Lyme Awareness Month in May, so we have a couple of events that are going to be happening then, so take a look then. We are also hoping to get some events lined up in the next few weeks, few months, so keep an eye out on that page. Our news and media section is basically what it says, news and media. In the news, we have our press release that just went out today announcing our foundation, so you can take a look at that. We also have our media channel. That is basically our YouTube channel. We will be uploading this video as well, so you can rewatch this to your heart's content. So exciting. So now we have our support panel, which I'm very, very excited to present to you. These are what we call our Lyme support portals. We have a patient portal, a caregiver portal, and a pet portal. We will also have our Lyme support programs such as Lyme Link, our mentorship match program, which is coming soon. We will also have a couple of other programs that are in the works that we will be announcing shortly, so you can keep an eye out on the Being Lyme Brave blog for those announcements. So what do the portals have entail? So we have the patient support portal, which offers, let's back this up a little bit so you can see the whole thing. There we go. We have the patient support portal, which has things like toolkits, daily solutions to help you meet your living needs, resources. We know what it's like to struggle with Lyme disease. We've had Lyme disease ourselves. For some of us, we still are in treatment, so we know what it's like to struggle with this disease. Part of it, it's not just the physical symptoms, but part of it is the emotional challenges that it takes. So what we want to do is be that center for you to provide the support resources that you need to get through this illness on this healing journey. So for example, in our patient toolkit, we have forms and worksheets that were created by LymeBrave Foundation for you with you, the patient, in mind. We know how challenging it is to keep track of doctor's visits and medications and social services benefits, especially when you're battling with your health, especially when you have cognitive issues from this disease. So we want to help you make your journey a little bit easier. Here you'll find appointment tips, medication management tips, how to organize your patient files. We have forms for your patient appointments, patient history, patient logs. We have a daily medication chart, a master medication chart so you can keep track of all your medications and supplements, and a human services record book if you're filing for disability or you're filing for any kind of social service. And just to give you an idea of what these look like, we'll take a look at the patient appointment and hope that it loads for us quickly. Yes, here we go. So, for example, our patient appointment will help you keep track of all your upcoming appointments. Your date, your time, your physician name, is it a new provider? Was there any testing that needed to be done? Do you have any new prescriptions, or do you need any refills? Any questions that you want to ask your doctor? Any answers that he has for you? This will help you keep track of all that information. So these forms are all free and they're all downloadable. And coming soon, we are hoping to have these bound in a book for you. So keep an eye out for that. The caregiver portal also offers this toolkit with the same forms, the same information, just a little bit altered towards the caregiver side of things. So if you're a caregiver caring for a loved one with Lyme disease, these forms are also useful for you. Back to the patient portal, we have a section called Lyme Life. And we understand that life with Lyme is complicated enough, right? So we wanted to create some resources that help make everyday living with chronic illness a little bit easier. So what we did was we compiled some food services, home services, and healthy recipes that kind of make it a little bit easier so you don't have to think so much. So all of your focus is focused on recovering from Lyme disease. For example, in food services, we've listed a couple of companies that will deliver food directly to your door, including some organizations that provide food delivery services specifically to those who are chronically ill. So you can take a look through those. Additionally, in our home services section, we have some tips on how to get the most out of house cleaning services, any yard work that needs done, home repair. Your focus should always be on your health and recovery, but we know that that's not always possible, especially if you're an adult living with the stressors of everyday life, like a job or family and Lyme disease, or if you're a caregiver caring for a family member with Lyme disease. Your focus is always elsewhere. And sometimes those priorities fall to the wayside. So we've compiled these ideas and tips to help you manage those services. And now in our resources section, we have split it up into resources for adults, children, leading nonprofits, and general support. So in our adults section, we have a list of nonprofit organizations that are aimed at helping adults with Lyme disease in the realm of financial assistance, Social Security, and support. For example, we have a couple of financial assistance organizations. We have prescription assistance if you're having trouble paying for your medicine, and disability assistance if you're trying to get on disability with Lyme disease. In our children's section, we have some organizations listed for those who offer grants for children with Lyme disease. These are excellent organizations, so you do want to check those out if you have a child with Lyme disease. Our nonprofits are leading nonprofits in the realm of education and awareness. They do support Lyme disease research through their fundraising initiatives, so you want to check those out as well. And then we have a section for general support resources. These include support groups, Facebook groups. You are already watching this on our Facebook group, LymeBrave Foundation, but we also have a linked group called the Being LymeBrave Community. So feel free to go ahead and join us there. We'll offer encouragement, some news, some information, and just a way to connect with others who are on this healing journey. So you want to check through those resources. Now on the caregiver portal side, we are working very hard at building this up. The toolkit is very much like the patient toolkit with forms that will help you through this experience. Our Lyme Care section is specifically for caregivers. For example, we have caregiver tips, how to care for yourself through this experience. We have a caregiver tribute, which is just our Lyme patients' way of saying thank you to the caregivers. We know that this is often a thankless job, but you're our heroes. Our parents, our friends, our brothers and sisters, our spouses, our health advocates. You are the ones who take care of us day in and day out and help us on their healing journey. So we want to say thank you for that. It's often a thankless job, but you sacrifice yourselves for us, for our own healing and recovery, and you deserve the gratitude. So this is our tribute to you. And then coming soon, we have a caregiver promise. So bear with us as we work on building up this caregiver support portal. And then also in our caregiver support portal, we have resources for the caregiver. These are some of the leading national nonprofit organizations on how to care for yourself as a caregiver. So check these out if you are a caregiver. And then last but not least, we have a pet portal for our favorite furry friends. These animals are our family, so we understand that when they get Lyme disease, it can be just as difficult. So here we give you some education about Lyme disease and pets, what to look for as far as symptoms, and how to prevent Lyme disease in pets. So you want to take a look at those resources as well. And then finally, we have a number of ways that you can donate, and we appreciate your donation. We appreciate your volunteerism. This is how you can help us help the Lyme community, and we are very grateful for your support. Through our direct donations, you can donate directly to us through PayPal. Soon we'll have the Shop LymeBrave store, and we'll also have affiliates coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. If you'd like to volunteer, we have an application for volunteers. You can fill this out. Let us know if you're a Lyme patient, a caregiver, if you're medical staff or a community member. and how you would like to volunteer. We have a number of opportunities available, and as we grow the foundation, we're going to grow in our need. So for both monetary donations and volunteer opportunities, we welcome your donation. Oops. We welcome your donation. So that is the LymeBrave Foundation website. We have worked very hard on it, so we're very, very proud to present it to you. Thank you to the LymeBrave team for their efforts as well. We're very happy to bring it to you. So now for the fun part. We have, to help us spread the word, we have a giveaway. So I'm going to turn this camera again. Hi. Okay, so we have a giveaway planned. It's called the LymeBrave Prize Pack Giveaway, where we're giving away some cool prizes as a thank you for helping us spread the word. So you can go to lymebravefoundation.org/giveaway to find out how you can enter. There are 9 ways to enter, with some various ways, such as tweeting about us on Twitter or liking our page on Facebook. You do get bonus entries. So here are the prizes. First up, we have my book, The Last Letter, a novel about life with Lyme disease. This is a fictionalized account of my experiences with Lyme, and you'll get a personalized signed copy. We also have the DVD, Under Our Skin. This is a sealed copy, and it's just for you. If you haven't seen this, it's an award-winning documentary, highly recommended to understand the intricacies of Lyme disease, why it's such a political controversy, and what Lyme disease really means when we say it's such an insidious disease. We also have the book Cure Unknown by Pam Weintraub. This is Inside the Lyme Epidemic, a fantastic, let me see if I can do this here, a fantastic, fantastic book. This was the first book I read about Lyme disease when I was first diagnosed. It explains the intricacies of Lyme disease, why it's so devastating, why it's such an insidious disease, and why it's not really understood yet, and how it came to be an epidemic. Just a fabulous book. So we're giving away this. And we have some Lyme awareness bracelets. These are silicone bracelets that say Lyme awareness on them. We're giving away 3. We have 3 different kinds. This one says Survivor. This one says, I think the words are backwards, but this one says Hope. And this one says Strength. So you'll get all 3. So you are getting the prize pack of 2 books, 1 DVD, and let's see if I am coordinated, and the 3 bracelets. So this is the LymeBrave giveaway prize pack. And as a special bonus, as a thank you for watching this video and for visiting the website and taking a look around LymeBraveFoundation.org, we're going to have a second giveaway. So if you comment and like the post that we're putting up with the link to LymeBraveFoundation.org, we'll do a raffle copter giveaway with these 2 prizes and maybe some bracelets. So you'll get the LymeBrave prize pack is going to be all 2 books, the DVD, and the bracelets. That's the big giveaway that you can enter at LymeBraveFoundation.org/giveaway. And then if you comment and like on the Facebook page, we'll do a second drawing for the book and the DVD. So that's it. That's it for us. Thank you. If you don't mind sharing this out, spread the word. Donate if you can. We cannot do this without you. We want to bring support programs to the Lyme community, education, awareness events that center on the Lyme patient and caregiver experience. That is our focus. We want people to know exactly what this disease means, and we want to support the Lyme community. So we are working on creating support programs that deal with healing, that deal with education, that deal with supporting the Lyme patient and their caregiver in every way that we can. So please share this out, and thank you guys for your support. We appreciate it. And welcome to LymeBrave. Stay strong and be brave, be LymeBrave. All right, bye-bye.